Today I'm going to show you exactly how to install new fonts in Photoshop so you can take your designs to the next level. By the end of this video, you'll know how to find, download, and add fonts to your Photoshop workspace, opening up endless creative options for your text and graphics. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you have Adobe Photoshop opened on your computer. This is just so you're ready and can confirm it's installed and running properly. Even if you've never added a custom font before, don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. Now, let's talk about where to get new fonts. My favorite way is simply heading over to Google and searching for fonts that fit the vibe I'm looking for, whether that's something elegant for invitations, bold for posters, or fun for social media graphics. For this example, let's say we're downloading a font called Super Shiny. You'd type Super Shiny Font Download into Google and check out trusted sites like DaFont, FontSquirrel, or Google Fonts. Always make sure you're downloading fonts from reputable sources to keep your computer safe from unwanted software. Once you find Super Shiny, locate the download button. It's usually clearly marked. When you click it, the font file, typically in a zip format or sometimes just a TTF or OTF file, will start downloading onto your computer. If it's zipped, you'll need to extract it, which just means right-clicking and choosing Extract All. Inside, you'll spot the actual font file, often labeled with the font's name and ending in TTF. Here, where things get exciting, all you have to do is double-click that font file and it should pop up with a preview showing you what the text looks like. If you like what you see, click Install. This process might take a few moments depending on your computer's speed, but usually it's pretty quick. What you're doing here is adding this font to your system's font library, which means any program that uses system fonts, including Photoshop, will be able to access it. If you're on a Mac, just click Install Font in the preview. On Windows, it's similar. Don't worry if you don't see any notification. Behind the scenes, your computer is making the font available everywhere. Once the font is installed, let's hop back over to Photoshop. If you had Photoshop running during the install, you'll need to close it and open it again so it can refresh and load all your system fonts, including the new one. Now create a new document or just open an existing project. Select the text tool, usually a big T on the tool panel, or simply press T on your keyboard as a shortcut. Then click anywhere on your canvas and type in your text. Here, the key part. To switch to your new font, look up at the font drop-down menu in the top bar. Start typing Super Shiny and you should see the font appear in the list. Select it and instantly your text will update. If you don't see it right away, check your spelling or make sure you refreshed Photoshop after installing the font. Sometimes the font gets added under a slightly different name, especially with free fonts, so try just scrolling through the list if you're having trouble. And just like that, you've added a custom font to Photoshop. From jazzy headlines to stylish body text, you can now unlock any font style you desire for your creative projects. If you enjoyed this tutorial or have any questions along the way, feel free to drop a comment below. I'm happy to help. Don't forget to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.